Good morning, student. Are you excited to listen for the story? The most important day? Okay, let's start. In our previous class, we have read that Miss Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world, right? By giving a doll, by presenting a doll to Helen. DOLL doll spells doll. How did she help her? She helped her to spell the word with her finger into Helen's hand, and Helen was also enjoying. Okay, she made the letters with special hand signs. Helen copied her teacher and spelled DOLL doll too, but she did not understand what she was doing. She did not know that she was spelling a word or even that words existed, because she did not about the word ना बेटा कि words होते क्या हैं, और ये जो word है DOLL डोल ये exist भी करता है जो वो बोल रही है. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. She was strict but kind. How was Miss Sullivan? She was strict but very kind teacher. In the days that followed, Helen learned to spell in this way a great many words. Among them were pin, hat, cup, and a few verbs. Verbs means action word like sit, stand, walk, right? How did she learn all the word? She learned all the word by using with her fingers and by using with a special sign, right? How many words she have learned? Pin, hat, cup, and verbs. Verbs means action word, right? Like sit, stand, and walk. But her teacher had been with her several weeks before she understood that everything had a name. Her teacher had been with her several weeks. जो उसकी टीचर थी वो उसके साथ काफ़ी हफ्ते रही. Weeks. Several weeks she had spent with Helen before she understood that everything had a name. जब तक वो ये समझने लग गई तब तक उसने ये समझा कि everything had a name, कि हर चीज़ का एक नाम होता है. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. What did Miss Sullivan do? She made Helen put her hand into running water. Running water. चलते पानी में उसने हेलन का हैंड पुट कर दिया, रख दिया. देन शी स्पेल्ड WATER water. What did Miss Sullivan do? She put Helen's hand into running water. Then she spelled. क्या बोला उसने? WATER. Suddenly, अचानक. Helen understood. Helen को क्या समझ आया? That water meant something wet running over her hand. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. Words would tell her everything she wanted to know. तब उसे वर्ड्स की इम्पोर्टेंस समझ आने लगी और उसे लगा कि दैट वर्ड्स वर द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स इन द वर्ल्ड. दैट मीन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ वर्ड्स वी कैन नो एवरीथिंग. वी कैन नो एवरीथिंग what we want to know, and with the help of words she would tell her everything she wanted to know, right? Helen learned 30 words that day. Mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. उनमें से ये words थे जो हेलन ने सीखे. How many words Helen learned? 30 words. and mother, father, sister, and teacher were among them. Words that were to make the world blossom for her. ये जो वर्ड्स उसने सीखे थे, इससे उसे लगा कि उसका जो वर्ल्ड है, उसका जो संसार है, जो दुनिया है, उसके लिए ब्लॉसम बन गई. ब्लॉसम मीन्स फ्लावर. बहुत ही अच्छी फीलिंग आई बिकॉज दैट डे शी न्यू दैट वर्ड्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, राइट? It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day. She thought about the joys it had brought her and, for the first time, longed for a new day to come. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. By the time she was 16, Helen could speak well enough to go to college. Helen Keller, the little girl, became one of the history's most famous women. She traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. Wherever she went, she brought न्यू करेज टू मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल. और ये पहला ऐसा दिन था दैट शी वॉज वेटिंग फॉर द न्यू डे टू कम. अब वो एक नए दिन की इंतज़ार में थी बिकॉज शी वॉन्टेड टू लर्न मोर एंड मोर, राइट? बाय द एंड ऑफ अगस्त इन 6 शॉर्ट मंथ्स, यानी कि 6 महीनों के अंदर अंदर उसने कितने वर्ड सीखे? हेलन न्यू 625 वर्ड्स. By the time she was 16, and when she was 16 years old, Helen could speak well enough. इतना अच्छे से वो बोलने लग गई थी to go to college, right? Helen could speak well enough to go to college. Helen Keller, the little girl, became one of the history's most famous women, right? Helen Keller क्या बनी? Became one of the history's most famous women, and she traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. Wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. Do you know why the name of the chapter is the most important day? Because for Helen, the most important day was when Miss Sullivan came to her life. Because she had totally changed Helen's life, right? She had changed Helen's life, and she always used to tell Helen, keep on beginning and failing. Each time you fail, start all over again, and you will grow stronger until you succeed. Not the one you began with, perhaps, but one you will be glad to remember. Have you understood the chapter? Now read the chapter again and try to learn the value of practice. Okay? And we should never give up. Try to overcome the challenges of your life. In this chapter, we can see or understand that the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Okay, thank you.